guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for like 2.5 months, and the reason for that is just because I was preparing to move, and then moving, and then moving in, and then just a bunch of stressful stuff with that. But yeah, this is just going to be the reveal of the TASM 2 battle damaged suit for the premiere of Spider-Man No Way Home. So let's just get straight into that. I'm going to be giving you an in-depth look of the suit off of me, and then I will put it on, show you guys that, and yeah, let's just get into that. So here is the suit. Let me just show you guys the front spider right here. Oh, here we go. So this is just the front spider. And then as you can see, the shine on the metallic black puffy paint, it just looks so amazing. I love that shine. But yeah. And then here's just what some of the web lines look like. Give you guys a closer look at those. The sheen, oh my goodness. I'm going to go a little bit more into depth on that puffy paint that I used in just a second. But here is the back spider. The shine on that, oh my goodness. You can just see some rips there. And then here is one of the hands, which I just took off the fingers and the thumb tip there. And let me get the other glove here. This is one of the other gloves, or this is the other glove. It just has like 3 fingers and then one cut off, and then the thumb, of course, cut off as well. And then, oh my goodness, the sheen on those webs. Here is the boots. Just, standard Spider-Man boots. If that's a thing. And then the soles right there. Yeah, so let me just talk about the suit now, and then you can get an in-depth look of it on me. Okay, so first the soles right here. What I did for these was basically I got a pair of slippers at Walmart. I will link them in the description down below for you guys. So you guys can go get those. But what I did was I just cut the sole off of them, and then I had to cut them a little bit just because they were, a little bit too big. As you can see right here, it's kind of like, you can see that I cut it off. And then what I did was I put an insole from an old shoe inside of the suit. You can kind of see that right here. That blue right here is just an insole. And then I put that into both of the feet of the suit, and then I put the suit on, and then basically spread the glue on the bottom of the foot and then on the back of the shoe or the back of the sole right here. Pressed them together. Sat there for a good 30 to 35 minutes to an hour. And then I just took it off very carefully and then used some binder clips. Let me show you guys what those look like. Just these binder clips right here. Those are what I used. And then I just put those all over the foot of the suit, basically like this. So I just put them all around the whole foot on both of them. Let that sit overnight. And I did these one by one, by the way. So I did one, let that sit overnight, then came back, did the other, and let that sit overnight. And then it was pretty much good after that. Did a little bit of touching up, and this stuff dries like really fast in like 2 hours. But just to be safe, of course, I left it overnight. And yeah, so that's the shoes. And then the puffy paint that I used for the webs, it's just this Tulip Slick Metallics Black. I guess it's not slick, I guess it's just Tulip Metallics Black. I don't know if that's focusing. Yeah, it's focused. Okay, so I used this, and then I basically just drew the webs on with a Sharpie, and then of course just filled them in with that puffy paint, and then this is what that looks like. It's really shiny and I really love it. I don't know if it's too movie accurate. I mean, I think it might be, but I don't know. The black might be more movie accurate, but I like this one better. This one's a lot better for me. And then for the back spider here, let me give you guys another look at that. Yeah, back spider. Hold on, I'm gonna put this in the middle. So that's the back spider, the shine and stuff. What I did for that was I just pulled up a picture on my laptop of the back spider, freehanded that on a paper, half of it, and then I folded that over, traced the other half, cut that out, Sharpied that onto the back of the suit, and then filled that in with this Tulip Slick True Red puffy paint right here. And then I will also be linking that in the description for you guys, so you guys can go get that, and I will be linking, of course, just all these random little materials like the binder clips in the description for you guys. But yeah, I will link the zippers as well, and like mostly all the materials that I used. And then let me show you guys all the spots that I added zippers. So we've got the big zipper, which is right here. It goes like from here all the way up to the armpit there, and then back around, and I've got 2 of those. And then let me just unzip those to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so the U-shaped zipper basically ends up looking like this. And so you just have a big flap, and then you can get into the legs of the suit, and then stick your head through the neck, and then pull your arms through the arms, and then just basically zip this up, and then zip up all the other zippers. And the other spots that I have zippers are in the forearms, so this is what those forearm zippers look like. They're just like this, and then they're just on the side, so you could just, you know, like stick your hand inside like that, and then of course just pull it out to like use your phone or whatever. And then I've got one on the neck, and that just makes it a lot more comfortable. This is what it looks like on the neck, and that just makes it a lot more comfortable, because then when the neck starts to feel bad, you can just pull it down like that, and then yeah. So let me tell you guys the reason why I decided to battle damage the suit. So the reason I decided to battle damage the suit was just because I got a rip in the suit, and it was right here. And then after that, all the zippers started failing, and what that means is like the zipper track, I guess, got holes inside of it, and so the little I'm gonna call it a train, zipper train, got stuck in the track. And so basically you would have to take a while to put the zippers on, and you had to put them on really slowly, and so that was the only way that would work. And so yeah, I just decided I'm gonna battle damage it, and so we've got like some really nice rips on the back right here. Yeah, got some really nice rips on the back. We got some nice ones here. Then this bicep one, which is actually my favorite rip on the whole suit. It's just a fat, hold on, a fat bicep rip right here. Yeah. And yeah, so let me throw this suit on and then show you guys some full body shots of that. And yeah, let's just get into that. Okay guys, so this is the suit in full body shot, and I do apologize for the backdrop there and this backdrop, all that. It won't be here in a couple months. I'll be in a new house, everything. I'll have a new backdrop, something like I had in my old videos. And yeah, so this is the suit. Here's the front spider. Just front spider. And then here is the back spider. A little more of the front spider. And here's the arms and the gloves, you know. And then here is the boots. Oh, boots. Sorry, this is a really weird shot. And the other one, this is honestly terrible shot. It was the only way I could get it in full body, and I am improvising here to the max. So yeah, yeah. Here's the suit. If you like my content and want to see more, guys, drop a like down below, subscribe, follow my Instagram. It's at calebshellyt_. Sometimes I might be going more into depth on my cosplays there rather than here. That was the case for this particular cosplay. I'm going to try to keep everything on YouTube, but it might be the case that some of it just goes more in depth on Instagram, so follow me there, calebshell_. I will link it in the description. Guys, comment down below anything you want to see me make next, because I will take it into consideration. Next cosplay is Red Hood, so there's going to be a whole series on that. So yeah, if you don't know what Red Hood is, go look him up. He's a DC character, whole long backstory and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that, 3D printing the helmet, all that, everything. That's going to be the next video series. I'm going to try to keep that all on YouTube. But if it becomes the case that it's only going to be like 2 videos here, like a start and then a final reveal like I did for this, you're gonna want to follow my Instagram. So go do that, and yeah. Thanks for watching. You guys take it easy.